Hello, hello, hello. Test. Hello, everyone. For our Shopee affiliate marketers, for our Shopee influencers, Dream Love. So, we are able to make like affiliate marketing solution. So, with this one, this is automatic and you can make money right away and this goes straight to your account. Okay? So, without using voucher code, you can make money with affiliate marketing with this one. For example, I just created this. Okay. I just created this. And then influencer, his user is ShopbackPH, top one. So he made like 203.83 commission. Okay. So it's gonna go straight to him or to her, whoever she is. I don't even know the person. Okay. So in commission right here. So I created this, no limit. The good thing with this one, this is the expense is 203. This is automatic deduction. So it's gonna go straight. So target all KOL. So this is product base. Okay, so the perfume for affiliate marketers. So it's already running. And the good thing with this one is there is no ending period. Okay, when I created this, there is no limit, there is no end. Okay, there is no end. So that means I don't have to give you voucher code every 3 months anymore. Okay, so this is like what we are doing in USA. Like when they order, they have the affiliate link. So, and when there is an order from the click, okay, just a click. So there is this validation bill. It will be validated by Shopee. So it's all Shopee's work. So once it's validated, it's the order is to be completed. So once it's completed, then you get your commission. So I gave like 17%. Okay, 17% commission, which is lit even higher. Okay, let's check. Is it here? Is it in dashboard? Okay, there's a one order. So this is just new. Yeah, this is huge in this one. Let me check. Commission. Let me check the edit. So you just see here, Dream Love 1000 perfume, 17% commission. Okay? So you get a 17% commission from this one. Commission rate is 17. So 1199 times 0.17. So you get 203.83. So that's what our affiliate marketers are getting. Conversion report, the commission will be 203.83. Okay? So that's a good thing with this one. So now your question, how can I be a affiliate marketer in Shopee? So I put that, how to be Shopee affiliate. So you just click this Shopee affiliate program. Okay, you click this one and then you fill it up. Okay, I applied already from this. But usually you just need in step one, you just need your details, name, address, and stuff. And then step two will be media information. You just drop your TikTok, your Facebook, or wherever. And then this one is Shopback, right? This one is a Shopback. This affiliate is Shopback. Shopback. Okay, just the affiliate. So yeah, you can do that one. So after filling up, then they will decide if you pass or not. But if you pass, then you can find my product and then you get your affiliate link and then you can share your affiliate link. So every time they click your link, you get as L, then that means you make money right away. Okay? So no need for verification from me if there is a confirm. So I think this made our our affiliate partnership more sustainable and effective. Okay, so it goes straight there. Okay, so I hope you all the best and have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And also, if you are, yeah, and we'll talk more about things of development for the Shopee, okay? Don't forget, this is a sitting product. We have like, at the moment, we have like 100,000 product available. And then if you get your share of 203 per product, if you are able to, let's say you have the share from the 100,000, you get 20 million 300,000. Let's just make it 1,000. You sell 1,000 for a year. You get 203, you get 203,000. Okay? So if you sell like 5,000 product for, let's say, a year times 203, so you get 1M. Yeah, so it's just a passive. It will just come to you. And this is not hard selling again. Okay? This is not hard selling because our product is a good product. It's an excellent one. Okay, and you can see it from the shop rating. Okay, our shop rating is always 5 star, legit, legit. So it's not hard selling. It has 40, it has 45 stars. And then effective, super nice, nahanap ko rin. So most people know this product already, especially if they are from Hong Kong or if they're from Hong Kong and Japan. So OFWs know this one. So there are people that are finding this product. Okay, so yeah, tagal kong hinahanap to sa Shopee lang pala. Thank you, seller. Okay, so they are starting to find us here in Shopee. So yeah, and if you look into it, like home, uh, let's go to Shopee. If you type Dreamlove 1000, our product is the number one. Oh no. Dream Love 1000. For example, they search for Dream Love 1000. Our product is number one. This is our product right here. Okay, this is our product. There is this one, 999. But if you look at into it, there's not much. This is lotion, so this is not our competition, but it has 14 left. So basically, there is no competition for us. We are the cheapest, 1199. The rest are copycat. So 1,000. But there's no sold. Okay, and there's no review. So 1,099, Alicia Isabella. If they sell, they don't have stock. Okay? Just 11 pieces. So if they don't have stock anymore, then there is none for them to sell. And I sell our product mostly retail. Okay, there are people that chats me. They want to buy wholesale. Yeah, so they want to buy wholesale like something like that, and they will get it like for 850, and they will be added to our competition. So yeah, we don't encourage, and we don't encourage that kind of sell. We just want retail. Okay, so we keep the monopoly in the market in Shopee. So we don't have, because if I sell it to them like 850, what happens is they will sell it for Let's say 950. Yeah, so we have another competition. Okay. So you can see their prices kind of expensive. There is one that is cheap, but now it's not showing here in Shopee. Why? Because they don't have stock anymore. Okay, they don't have stock. So we are the only one left. So yeah. And we always have a stock. When we have 50 pieces left, another shipping will come here in the Philippines. Another shipping. Okay. We are just right here because this one is an ad, 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 this one is an ad. So they are priority. But if we talk about this one, Dream Love, then we will always have the order. Okay? So yeah, let's keep the momentum going. And for the next year, once you got my DM, right? You got my DM. So once we materialize it, I need like 50. How many weeks on a year? 52. I need 52 testimonies. So if we get 52 testimonies and then we post it every week, then we get more curious people to buy. And if your affiliate link is the one being shown there, then you make money. Okay? 52. Yeah. And we will pin it in your Facebook pages, okay? Okay, so all the best everyone. Cheers. I hope and I wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Yeah, and looking forward, you make more money from this product. So I see this as a good product. Okay? But for now, there is not much using your referral code, so there's not much codes being used. Yeah, and I think this is the solution. The Shopee affiliate where you don't have you don't need Shopee code. You don't need voucher code. You just need to be affiliate and you can find my product and you can turn it into affiliate link and then you make money 17%. Most in the product in Shopee just gives you like 4%, 3%. In Philippines even 1%. But ours is 17%. So you make specific 203. Okay? Okay, all the best, all the best. Bye. The Lord bless you and Dream Love 1000 Philippines. May God bless Dream Love 1000 Philippines and Dream Love 1000 International. Okay? Bye bye.